This roll of masking tape has given me trouble all day long, and it's because it's an older roll of tape. I'm trying to save it. It cost almost $5 to buy originally, but every time I try to peel off a piece, you can see it's coming off in strands, and it eventually trying to get to where it's wide again, and it just keeps tearing. So I think it's because the adhesive is really old. There it is. Now I finally got to, but look at all the tape I've wasted already. Then it keeps ripping on me. So I think what I'm going to do is, this is a trick I've tried a couple of times, and it works probably about half the time I've tried it, so I'm going to try it with this old roll. And it's putting it in a microwave oven for a few seconds to heat it up. So I put a piece of paper towel down just so I don't get any adhesive on the glass tray, and I'm going to give it 10 seconds. That's all you need, depending on how old it is. So there you go. If it's an older roll and the tape is and the glue is really hard, you might want to give it a few more seconds, but I've done this maybe 4 or 5 times, and it's worked, like I said, maybe 2 or 3 times, about half the time. But it's worth it because, like I said, this masking tape gets pretty expensive. It's just warming up, warm enough you can feel it. And now, look at that. All it took is 10 seconds. This roll, it's like good as new.